Welcome, welcome MW Killer. Game trading crypto, welcome retail fam, welcome. Thumbs up if you can hear me. So what are we gonna talk about today? CPI closing in. So we're gonna eye the markets, financial markets, we're gonna eye a little bit of stocks, commodities, We're gonna look at the DXY, some Forex, and then we're gonna jump into Bitcoin, and we're gonna eye some altcoins because some crazy trade setups are heating up. They're really heating up, guys. Some really crazy things are gonna happen, and I know that a lot of money is going to be made the next days. I'm 1000% sure of it. A lot of money is going to be made the coming days. I just know it. I feel it. It's that sixth sense. That sixth sense. When I feel hungry, yes. We are at that stage now. We're at the believing stage. The believing, and after the believing, the strike comes. So guys, join in. It's gonna be great. No swearing today, by the way, guys. No swearing today. So no swearing at all. So you can just keep your kids close to you if they're around you. So no swearing. It's gonna be a great show today. I know for sure. Some money's going to be made. Some money's gonna be made. Okay, guys. Like the video, please. Share it, repost it, whatever. Do what you can. Thumbs up if you can hear me. Let them use it. Let the music run. Thank you. What do I got? We got Rahul over here. Good morning, bro. Gracias. Carlo. We got Egon. We got Tamara Walid. We got Top Dog, Albiba, Richard, Zupar, Kirk. This is Bob. What do we got? Mario Peters, Mark. Good morning. Baz, the moderator, is in the house. Egon. What do I got? Castelgarner, Luca. We got Rof, FT, Mama, Bonjour, Muhammad Ali, Alco Pops, GF, Blaze, John Fallen, Prue, Roy Brewer, Srikant, Natasha, Moore, Pedro, Travel. We got Crypto, Powell, Michelle, Top Dog, John Doe, Alco Pops, Michelle again, Natasha, we got Facox, T-Blue, Rigu, Freedom, Willem, Tony Mel, Rip Pop, Raj, Bonsal. What do we got? T. Okay, guys, welcome, guys. Welcome to the stream today. Welcome. First of all, I got a question yesterday. I want to answer directly. One guy told me, listen, MW, who are you? Because you're doing these streams, who are you? Can't you just say something about yourself? Say something about myself? Yeah. I think I made a vid one time when I talked about myself and explained a bit who I am, what I do, etc. But guys, it's very simple. I'm just one of those guys. I'm just one of those guys that started trading a lot of stocks, indexes, commodities, forex years ago, and I started crypto around in the cycle of 2017, and well, that's when I went into crypto, a lot of crypto, because there was just a lot of money to be made in crypto. And well, since then, let's just say I really changed my life financially in crypto, because I already made a lot of money in stocks. I also lost a lot of money when I entered crypto. So I made a lot of foolish mistakes. And when I made those mistakes and I lost a lot of money, that's when I thought to myself, okay, wait a minute. This crypto business is not the same like the indexes, forex, etc. Crypto, you have to trade it on another style. It's really a whole new world. So I started researching, working very hard for a lot of long days. And that's how I owned crypto. I just own crypto. I know how it works. I know what the scams are. I know how these guys move the markets. I know how these guys long. I know when they short. I know what they do when they want to scam people, when they want to manipulate the prices. I just know about everything you need to know about crypto. I'm no fundamental expert, but it doesn't mean that I don't know what fundamentals are. I'm more specialized in charts, in tokenomics, and those are the most important parts in crypto, because crypto is not only this TA and these charts that you're seeing over here. There are a lot of things that play a big role in what's happening in crypto. And the moment that you understand and own that knowledge is when you're gonna make that life-changing money. So you have to understand it. And most important of all is the reason why I came into social media, making these vids, etc., is because what I've been seeing is that the ones that are promoting crypto, most of them are out there to make themselves rich and retailers poor. And that was the reason why I came on social media, although a lot of traders, on-the-ground traders, didn't like the fact that I did that. But that's the reason why I came in, to be the counter voice against this very strong, big, wealthy group of crypto influencers that are just wrecking a lot of retailers. And well, that's me. That's M Will Killer. And that's also why my name is M Will Killer. So the Will's the Will Killer. MW is my name. MB, you can call me also, but this is the reason why I'm in crypto. I came on social media purely for the retailers to be that counter voice, to be that voice against all these paid people that are wrecking retailers over and over again. So that's me, guys. That's me. That's me. So if you want to know who I am, that's me. And just very quick, I cannot say a lot about it, but I have been doing this now for 2-3 years. And from next year, a lot will change because we're going pro. We're going pro. For now, it's just me, my screams. I'm gonna create a team. We're gonna open up a studio. We're gonna open up a better crypto school for a lot of retailers that are interested in just understanding and knowing everything about crypto and how to be game traders. So there's going to be a school. A lot is going to change next year. Next year there'll be a studio, and then you'll see a lot of things happen. And we're growing very fast, but I'm not changing a lot, so a lot will change. So this was very quick, guys, who I am and what I do and what is coming and heading into a lot. What's going to change? Okay, so first of all, guys, this Bitcoin chart that I shared, was it a week ago or what? No, almost 2 weeks ago. It's still as solid as a rock. So this chart is maybe the most important chart for you guys to eye for now. So this is, are we going to travel in this falling wedge or this bear flag, whatever you want to call it, all these bear flag, bull flag, whatever, it doesn't matter how you want to call it. This is no falling wedge. This is just a bear flag. This is a bear flag. So it's a bear flag or it's a bull flag. It's a bull flag. This is a bull flag. A bear flag goes up, bear flag. So this is technically in TA, this is bullish because boom, 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 boom. And at some point they tell you, okay, well, this is going to happen. So like this, boom, down, up, and then it will break out at some point. Well, let's hope for the bulls that will happen. But, you know, I don't care a lot about that. I just take it day by day. But for now, this is solid. So if we would dump down, just saying, this is a very important spot to start scooping up a lot of altcoins. I'm just saying. So if we would dump down to this, what is it, 53 to 51. So if this comes back again and starts romping here again, might be a good buying opportunity again. So just keep that in mind because we're now just traveling over here. Maybe we want to retest over here again, the 66. Doesn't matter. We're going to take it step by step. Also, something very important I wanted to share with you guys today is, you know, I'm trying to get into your minds. And what happens in a lot of retailers, there are like 1,000, let's just say 1,000 solid altcoins with volume on them. So there are a lot more, but a lot of scammy coins. Let's say 1,000 altcoins. Retailers, how they think is they're always just sitting. Oh my God, okay, that altcoin pumped. And what they think in their mind is, oh, crappy, I should have bought that altcoin. And then he gets greedy, then he gets emotional. Guys, only focus on how to make money. And there are like 10,000 opportunities out there. Don't let the sentiment take over you. Just like on Sui, you know, oh, boom, 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 Sui, and then Sui, boom, Sui down. You know, Sui went up, okay, fine, but Sui, I was eyeing it, I shared a lot about Sui, and at the right moment, and at the right thing, we believed and we strike. When you strike, you're gonna see those 300, 400, 500% gains. Okay, Sui, you longed it, congrats. Now it dumped and I made the same money just like you made up. It's just what it is. You had a spot back. What did you make? A 3x, 4x? No problem. I shorted it and in 2 days I made a 3, 4x on my portfolio. That's how you need to think. That's how you need to think. Don't follow the herd. Don't follow the herd because you'll get wrecked. Just focus, be that gain trader, focus. So that's about that. So let me go to the markets, guys. I want to go to the markets. Oh my God, these... You know, I said it yesterday. Remember over here when this thing, it was this chart, I think. Yes, this one. You remember yesterday when this one was red and I told you guys, listen, we were over here, I think. Yeah, something around here. And I told you, listen, guys, don't let these guys fool you. These guys are autistic. These guys are just autistic. They can't help themselves. They just need to pump. They These guys are just sick. The sickest bulls in the world are at Wall Street. Dumping doesn't exist in their minds. In their minds, it's only up. So even when you get a daily candle like this, and then it's up. You know, yes, that's right. So probably today we're going to test this one. Probably we're going to test this breakout. And if it'll break above this line over here, maybe we're going to see a candle. Maybe we're going to have some more upside. So be prepared for that. But, you know, what is MW thinking now? What I'm thinking now is I hope that they will ramp this up. Why? I hope that they'll ramp this up because I know that Bitcoin will probably also have a bounce up. And I think that when that happens and we close in into this blue line, I think that's the best moment when we will strike. We will strike very hard. And I think that we will strike very hard, just like I promised you guys on Twitter. That's when I think we will strike on a lot of oversold, overbought and FOMO Ponzi schemes, and the shorting party will start. So I'm eyeing that. So I'm preparing, and I need this thing to ramp up again a little bit more. Just ramp up, break this line, do as you guys always do. Just go up. That's just what you guys do. You're made to go up. Just go up, break this line. Let me put my alarm over here. So when it goes up or down. So just break this up. Let those FOMO scammy pumps go up a bit more. And then we will strike. And when we strike, what's going to happen when we strike? We got to make sick money again. That's what's going to happen. So there's something else what comes together with this rump up, because I want to see this rump up. I want to see this rump up. This one is concerning, guys. Not concerning for the bulls. This is looking so good. Listen, this dollar that's rumping up over here, we're heading into resistance, guys. If the CPI will come in as they want it to be, because they just put in like, you know, CPI. What do we got? Elections. Okay. That's just put in 2.3. Why not? It's just like that. Just sitting there over there. What should we do? Should we do the 2.5, 2.4, 2.6, 2.3? Whatever, just put in 2.3 for this time. Okay, no problem. So, but this dollar, guys, if this thing will make a rejection over here and come back to this level, this is bullish, guys. This will rump the markets up. This will rump Bitcoin up. So we might see that bounce up that I'm talking about, maybe back to these levels again. Maybe we're going to go head back. But you know, we had yesterday, it was pretty concerning. I don't know, it was like $4.2 billion in Bitcoin that the US government could sell, some whatever. They could, guys, that's a big number. That's a big number. $4 billion of worth of Bitcoin that the government can sell. Guys, that if they gonna sell it, I don't know if they're gonna sell it, but if they're gonna sell it, that's a big number, guys. That could create a lot of blood in the markets. I'm not saying it will happen. It was just, I shared it yesterday. But guys, this is something concerning. So be very careful about that one. Because we still have got this Mt. Gox going on. We've still got now the government owning like 70K of, or 69, I don't know how much it was, of Bitcoin that they could sell. But so it's you know, at some point it's bullish. At the other points we're seeing some bearishness. And you know, at the end of the story, we just trade what the chart show us. Just like we're doing on Bitcoin. So let me show you Bitcoin. If we will put on our indicator, our famous indicator, look what's going on over here on the daily. We get supported on the 200 EMA, indicator rejected, indicator rejected, indicator rejected, rejected. So for now, because, you know, as you guys know, above it is bullish, below it is bearish. Now we are just in it. We're just going in it. You're traveling now for like, what is it? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 days. We're traveling in the indicator. So this thing could go up or come down. We just don't know. With only on the close, you can get some direction. If we're going to put it on a 4 hour, for example, it's the same. We're holding the 200 EMA. Hold. Rejected, rejected, rejected. Guys, if you don't have this indicator, I'm telling you, at this point now, BITUNIX is we got like 5 days left. If you want, you don't need high volume to get this indicator. Just open up a BITUNIX account. It's in the chat. It's in the description. Open up an account. You have to be depositing at least $500, and just make some trades. No high volume. Just DM me. My X account is also in the description. DM me your UID. We check it, and then we'll give you this. Only 5 days left, and then it's gonna be hard again to get it because you need trading volume. Also, by the way, Blofin or Weex. Blofin or Weex. Also, Weex has got something also going on now. Some bonuses, whatever they go. Weex is Weex. They made their new app. Their new app is, by the way, great, guys. I've been testing it now for like a week. It's great. Their new app, Weex is really stepping up over there. So their trading app is really great. And yeah, they've got some bonuses now running for the retail fam. So just check it out. I shared it, I think, on Twitter. Just check it out. So for now, we're just traveling over here. So, but again, guys, the most important chart at this moment for me is this one. This is the one that's the most important for me. It could go to the 200 EMA over here. But listen, guys, this is, if this thing starts dumping down, don't expect markets to dump. Markets will pump even more. It comes together with the election coming up, so Maybe they are saving the best for last. So they want the election when they come in. Maybe they want to make that last big pump up. It's possible. And this dollar is showing that. Because the dollar, if the dollar would be over these regions, this is when I'll be saying, yeah, guys, prepare, we're gonna dump hard. But not over here. This is something you guys need to keep an eye on. Keep in mind. So don't just think that we're gonna dump down. No, this chart is, if we're gonna ramp up over here and get rejected, this will take the market. Okay, I think I'm clear about that one. So let me go to the altcoins. I wanna go to altcoins. Today it's all about altcoins, opportunities. Oh my God. Oh my God. Congrats, guys. Congrats. The ones that believe in me, the ones that follow me on X, the ones that listen to me, the ones that understand what I say, the ones that are in my free private group, the ones that educate themselves, the ones that take it. Congrats, guys. This is a dump from entry. Let's say that your entry was not a 41 like me, because I traded this on the 141. But if you would enter over here, you are now 15% almost on just 1x. So most of you guys trade on 20, 30x's. So this means that you're like in 500-600% gains. Guys, this is a lot of money. This is sick money. And I think that I spoke so much about Popcat past days. I destroyed you guys with this Popcat crap. And guys, it's now holding this 200 EMA. If this breaks down, well, we're going down to the $1. Listen, we're just going down to the $1. Also on the 4 hour, we lost it. We just lost it. Look at it. Got this FOMO, boom, 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 whatever, Popcat going to the moon, whatever, all these crappy things, and then boom. And then you come down to the $1. So the $1 is my short-term target. So I want it to come down over here. This is the next level for Popcat. So, and if this thing will work out, well, most of the times it does work out. It would be, listen guys, this is a 32%. Just on a 30x, you'll make almost 1,000% gain. I will share the P&L. Like I have always been sharing the P&L past year. I already did it like 6, 7, 8 times. And then you got retailers coming into Twitter telling me, oh my God, how do you do that, MW? How do you do that? I'm freaking explaining it on a daily basis how I do that. So you could do it too. Just focus. Just focus. Don't be afraid. So that's about that. I wanted also to talk about our big friend, Sui. I want Sui, where is Sui? Where are you, Sui? Why are you hiding? Don't hide. Don't hide, Sui. Just come over here. Why are you hiding? Where? It's hiding somewhere. Come over here, Sui. Don't be shy. Don't be shy. I know you're shy. I know you're shy. You're a bit embarrassed or whatever. Come here. Come here, Sui. Come here. Come here. Come here. Come here. Come here. Come here. Okay. There we got Sui, guys. I told you over here. This was, guys, this is really sick, by the way. This is really sick. This was the exact moment over here while I was eyeing it for the short. This was the exact moment when they started tweeting about it. Sui is going to the moon. Sui, we didn't buy enough. Sui is going this. It was this exact moment. There were like 4 influencers at this exact moment. This moment. They tweeted about this. I can show it. I can expose them, by the way. I can show it. I can show it. I can show the exact timing when they shared it. The exact timing. It was over here. Because why? Because I noticed because I was eyeing it. Look at this, guys. Just look at this. Do you think it's a coincidence when these influencers share, well, Sui, we didn't buy enough. Sui is going to the moon. Do you think it's a coincidence? I don't think so. But you know, I don't give a crap what they say. No. Because my charts show me what's going on. And a lot of other things also. And listen, this is also the same story. Look at this. This is 12% on a 30x. I will show you guys the P&Ls. If you don't believe me, I will show you guys the P&Ls. They're running. I will show them. I'll show you. So, guys, this is, you have to be so careful. So for now, we're holding the Indy on the 4 hours. So probably the team will be taking some profits out of SUI for a bounce. But let me tell you, if this thing bounces up, they're gonna short it again. They're gonna add to the short position again and again and again and again and again. So they just don't care. They know what they're doing. So over here, take some off the table and then bounce up. Maybe they want to make, because it's possible that we'll see like this, because this is how it works. You go up, a lower high, and then from here on, you go over here like this. Then it goes up, then over here, add to your position, and then it makes another one. This is how charts look like. This is how, I'm not saying that it always looks like this, but you don't need always in trading. You only need 60, 70, 80%. 60 is enough. So every time when you trade this like this, you're gonna make a lot of money. Because why? We all know that SUI is super overbought. We just know that. Everyone knows that. SUI shouldn't be over here. This is just market makers, VCs, influencers ramping this thing up. And why are they ramping it up? Just to sell over here. That's why they want to get paid. It's that simple. They want to get paid. They want to make money. Just like you want to make money, they also want to make money. The only difference is they want to make money out of you and you want to make money out of the markets. Well, by the way, guys, another coin I want to show you guys, because I know this coin, the team is trading this in their paid group. This one. Don't go join or whatever. I just want to show you guys this coin. This coin is the same story as SUI final. So this Eigen is the same story like SUI. I'm just saying. This thing, there was Luke on chain. He shared a post. It was like an hour ago that some whale is buying a lot of Eigen over here. Let me just tell you this, guys. This is one of those coins that you gotta make a lot of money on. The team already in their paid private group, they shorted, I think this one over here. I don't know whether they already made a lot of money on this Eigen. So they already made sick money together with their paid group members. They made a lot of money in this Eigen. But I know for sure that they will make a lot more money on this coin. I know it's gonna happen, because this is the same like SUI. This is just a group of whales ramping this price up just to make a big dump down later. I'm telling you, you just have to be patient. You have to be patient. You have to know what you're doing. Just do it step by step and use that damn indicator. And when the indicator, because you can see it like this, like the indicator over here, they're going, or probably there's an entry, okay, exit, boom, boom, boom. See how it holds the indicator perfectly over here. And then over here, boom, they retest again, and then boom, it wants to go up more and more and more. Let it go up. Just let it go up. Let it go up, and just like this. Boom, DCA in. Boom, DCA in. Boom, DCA in. Boom. Money. Money. Bank it. Money. I'm showing you guys. It's no financial advice. And I think that the team does not like the fact that I'm showing you guys this chart, by the way. Because I will not do it again. I will not do it. But it was just on my list. So that's why it was on my list. It just was on my list. I was looking at this one also today, guys. What is this? What is this? Wing. This is something with lending, spending, staking, whatever out there. This wing. What is it with this wing? Wing coin. Wing. A lot of volume is hitting this wing coin, guys. I don't know what it is, but look at this spike up. What is this? This is on Binance, guys. So a lot of people tell me, oh, Binance, hey, MW, why do you trade on Blofin or you trade on Weex? Because Binance. Well, here's Binance. Here, do you see this? This liquidated, Binance just liquidated, I don't know how many people over here just to dump it down. You seeing this? Look at this candle. Let me put it on the daily. Where is that scammy scam? Where is it? Over here. Look at this. You see this, guys? You see this? You see this? Boom, boom, dump. It's just, you know, this, what I just showed you guys on this Eigen, on Sui, on Popcat, it's the same story. This shows you exactly how it works in crypto. And I'm telling you, when the MW Gain Trading Crypto School open up, we're gonna educate you guys to make money on these moves. Look at this. When you see a move like this, up, boom, 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 oh, we're going to the moon. Look how hard and how strong they dump this. Boom, boom. Do you know how much money they made over here, guys? And do you know how much retailers have gotten totally wrecked over here? Totally wrecked. They destroyed so many retailers over here. So you have to be educated, guys. Don't just go think, yeah, well, let me go long this or let me go short this. They will wreck you for 1000% sure. So this is Binance, by the way, guys. The biggest exchange in the world. Wrecked their users. Congrats. So that's about, I saw a lot of volume going on that one. I wanted to talk about another coin. This one also, guys. Keep an eye on this one, because this one, Aptos, come on, Aptos. Aptos is showing some strength. Aptos has got an unlock coming up. I'm just saying, Aptos has got an unlock going on. So when you see those unlocks coming in, which what they like to do is, because you have to see it like this, guys. A lot of people don't understand this. They just don't understand this. Just listen what I'm going to say now. Suppose that there is an unlock coming. I don't know when the unlock will be. Let's just say it's got, unlock would be over here. I'm just saying. There's an unlock coming up. What happens is some retailers, they think, oh, well, they've got an unlock. Oh, maybe, yeah. Short it. Just short it. We're going to short it. Yeah, because there is an unlock coming up. So we're going to short it. Guys, don't be the fool. They know what you're doing. They can see what you're doing. So when they see that you want to go short Aptos, why? Because it has got an unlock over here. For example, just giving you guys, I don't know. I know there is an unlock. I don't know what day exactly. Just go check it out. But listen, guys. What happens is retailers, they start, oh my God, Aptos got an unlock. I need to sell my bags. I need to short it. When they see that you start shorting it, they start wrecking you. Boom, 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 boom. Especially when it gets very close, especially if Bitcoin will play along by that time. Boom, 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 wreck them. And why do they do this? Let me tell you why they do this. Let me explain you guys exactly why they do this. Because the hodlers of the unlocks are people that bought in at much lower. Maybe you have to see it like this. Listen. The ones that are getting unlocked, they bought in over here, maybe. So they are still in a 5x, 10x, or they have got unlocks from here. But most of the times they've got them from here, or maybe even lower, guys. Because maybe what is a KuCoin chart, maybe they even bought in much lower. They're already in a 10x, 20x, 30x. But most of the times, who are these guys that have got locked coins? Who are they? They are no retailers, guys. Those are no retailers. At least most of them are no retailers. These are VCs, these are whales, these are investors, these are the people that make the big money out of retailers. So if I would be one of those, suppose that I would have a lot of money, and I know that the unlock is over here. And I know that a lot of people will start, retailers will start shorting it. If I would be, and I've got a big bag that's getting unlocked on this date, 1 or 2 weeks before that happens, I call my buddies, listen, hey, Aptos investor, hey, other Aptos investor, hey, other Aptos investor, come over here. Let's Let's do a meeting. Yes. Those retailers, they know that the unlock is coming. We're having a lot of coins. We want to sell them at the highest price possible. We need to pump this thing up. Okay, what are you going to do? You make sure that you're going to buy 10 influencers on Twitter. You make sure that you're going to pay like 10 YouTube content creators, crypto content creators. Let them talk about Aptos. Okay, what are we going to do? We're going to talk with the market makers and we're going to put in a nice bag of money. We're going to ramp that price up the coming days. This is how it works in crypto. This is how it works in crypto. You need to listen very good what I just said. This is how it works in crypto. And what happens is when they get the price goes up, for example, and when they get their coins because they get unlocked, you know, these guys are greedy. And that's when that meeting, listen, don't sell when you get them directly. Yeah, I promise you. You also. But these are greedy. They don't trust each other. So they never know. Maybe he's going to sell. Maybe the other one's going to sell. We invested a lot of money over here. We need to make that money back. So that's when you'll get drops like this one. when that happens, you get candles like this one. And this is what I'm educating you guys. Because when this happens, because we know that this is going to happen. It's going to happen over here. When this happens, I want you guys to be with me on this. I want you to be with those, swim along those wheels, swim alongside them. When they make money, you make money. But you just have to be, because we are not strong. Retailers are not strong. You cannot fight these guys. It's impossible to fight them. You have to be smart. I said it. In Dutch, we say, wie niet sterk is, moet slim zijn. If you're not strong, you have to be smart. So what I'm teaching you guys is when this happens, I want you guys to be in. Just make sure that they will not liquidate you. And for that, you have to be in my free private trading course 1.0. I explained into details how to leverage trade and how to make sure that they will not wreck you. So this is going to happen. I know it's going to happen. I know it for almost 100% sure. This doesn't mean that you just go into an Aptos short now. By the way, guys, wait. It's much more complicated than this. Don't just go short and then think, oh, whatever, I'm going to short. No. I've got a box over here, by the way, if you're interested. So if you want to start DCA, but you have to know how to leverage trade. Because if they can liquidate you, you're a loser. You're a loser. They're gonna destroy you. You have to be a professional leverage trader. You have to know how to do it. So even when they want to make that scammy spike up, no problem. I will add to my position. Yes. And the higher it goes, you want to scam more? No problem. Bring it in. I'm gonna add more to my position. And when it dumps down, boom, when you guys are making money, because these are not retailers making money, these are the investors making money over here. The wheels are making money over here. These are no retailers. And maybe MW with them. But these are no retailers, guys. By the way, we made a lot of money in the free private group at Aptos, by the way, past year. A lot of money. A lot of money. A lot of money. We traded Aptos a lot past year. But guys, you have to know, you have to understand how the game is played. So how the game is played is, you have to first of all, you need the basics of leverage trading. And that's when we're gonna build it out to how to become a professional game trader. But first of all, you need the basics. And I think nobody out there can teach you the basics of leverage trading the right way. And if you want the right way, you need to be in my free private group. Yes, I agreed with Game Trading Crib, with the team, that my trading course vids will get in their paid group. But in my group, it's free. If you join the free private, how do you join the free private? You have to be trading on BITUNIX, Blofin, or Weex. Links are below. Trading volume 100K or more. By the way, guys, I'm getting a lot of questions about this 100K trading volume. Guys, it's nothing. 100K trading volume is nothing. It doesn't mean that you need $100,000 on your account. No, it means that your trading volume. So for example, if you're going to short Aptos, I'm just saying on a 20x, it's already, you're going into 20K, 10K, 30K trading volume. So if you make 2, 3, 4, 5 trades, you're already there. So Guys, this Aptos is also one. No, okay, enough about Aptos. I'm talking about Aptos, and then I'm going into education of leverage trading. What the freak am I doing? Another one, Alpiman, FTM. FTM, bro, you know, it's very simple, because Alpiman, he asked me a question about FTM. Would I be shorting FTM? You know, it's very simple. It's very simple. If suppose that you just robbed a bank, okay? You robbed a bank. You went into a bank and you robbed it, and you made like 5 million. You took 2 bags with $5 million. And then you go out of the door. And then when you go out of the door, there are 5 cars out there that you can, how do you say in English? You can escape, whatever. There is a Ferrari, there is a very cheap old Opel Corsa, there is a Peugeot, whatever, 206, and there is an old-timer over there, and they're all parked with, what car are you going to drive to escape? You're going to escape with the Ferrari, I think. Yes, because that thing, you've got the best chances to escape, to not get caught. So it's the same in trading. You know, FTM is very strong, guys. Why would I, if there are so many altcoins out there that are super weak on the tokenomics, on the FOMO and whatever, and at much higher levels, if you can short those ones, why would you want to short FTM? I'm not saying that FTM could not break down. It's possible. But why FTM? Why not? Why choose the hard way when you can get the easy way? Look for the easy targets, because the easy targets will give you the safest trade opportunities and safest gains. Why would you go into FTM? So FTM also, guys, I was bullish on FTM around here. And when you see me bullish on a coin, just don't short it. Just stay away from it. Because if you want to get me bullish on an altcoin, a lot have to happen. But let me just go to the TA wise. Alpiman, I agree, because we've got this over here, this liquidity zone, and we're heading in it. We got already hit it, rejected, and we're ramping up again. So this is a resistance zone, so maybe it wants to come down from here. But you know, I wouldn't touch it. I would choose another one. Choose another one. The easy money. Why would we go and do the hard part? So let me do one more, and then I'm gonna focus on you guys. If you guys have got some altcoins that you want me to do, I want to do one more coin. What was it? I want to show you guys one more coin. Well, yeah, FET. A lot of people are asking me about this FET coin. FET broke out. We got rejected on the box over here, and so FET. You know, I'm not interested in FET. I'm not interested in buying FET. You know why? Because you guys know me. I like to buy blood. I don't like to buy coins that are at high levels. If FET would be over here, I would be interested in buying FET. So I'm not so interested in buying FET, but trading wise, yeah, what to say? FET made a nice move up, and FET is ready to come down into these levels again. So I'm not interested in FET or buying FET, whatever. Okay, let me go to you guys, because what do we got? What do we got? So later, good morning. Regarding the BTC supply, they have so going to be free for sales. So if they will sell them, I'm not sure. I'm not sure also. Let me see. Oh, best, they don't want to like the vid. Okay, well, just, yeah. It sucks. They would, you know, they like to, you know, a lot of them, they like those shillers because they will tell them that they're going to get rich in buying whatever, just for them to come back to me and tell me you are right again. Let me see. What is this? Boom, what do I got? Eagled. Who's this guy? Who is it? Eagled. K-Lau, do you got a big bag of Eagled? Bro, are you holding a big bag? Be honest, please, be honest. 11 October, okay, tomorrow. Thank you, tomorrow. Thank you so much, tomorrow. Let's see. What do we got? BITUNIX is nice. BITUNIX is great, guys. BITUNIX is let me just say it like this. And you guys know me, I'm no shiller. It's not because they partner up with me. It has got nothing. I'm always honest. If something is good, I will tell you it's good. If it's bad, I just say it's bad. Just like I said about Weex, their trading app. I didn't like it. I said it. They made a new one, so it's now great, but It wasn't good. Although I'm a partner, if something is not good, it's just not good. It's just what it is. But BITUNIX is even a higher level than Weex and Blofin. Although Blofin was, in my opinion, the best trading app, even better than Bybit and Binance, in my opinion. But I've been eyeing this BITUNIX, and these guys, you know, just check it out. Just check it out. It's not a style. It's not, because Blofin and Weex, they're very similar to each other, but BITUNIX is different. I don't know what it is. By the way, on BITUNIX, very important for you guys to know, for the ones that are trading on BITUNIX, they made something. I know that Femex also did this. You have to be very careful when you go into. Let me check, because this is something very important for the BITUNIX traders, because you can get wrecked. And I don't like the fact that they have this, that they did this, and I will contact them to remove this as soon as possible if they want. And if they don't want, well, when you go into you want to buy. So I've educated you guys that you need to buy, don't buy contracts. Always buy in USDT or USDC, whatever you trade on. And you put in the number. So suppose that you want on a 20x, you want to short Bitcoin, put a number in. So $150, for example. It's a low on a 20x. It's not a lot. But that way you can control the amount of money that you're willing to put in your position. But now comes the trick. Now comes the trick, and this is something that I don't like about BITUNIX. They added, because you can put in the amount of the coin, so like SUI or Bitcoin or Ethereum, and then at second, what they put in is USDT cost value. Please do not press that one, because you'll get wrecked. Because you're gonna put it, for example, if you're gonna put in, like, you want in with $150, then you're gonna put in 150, but it's a huge position. And I don't like this. I don't like this. I have to be honest. I really don't like. So I'm warning you guys. I'm warning you. So if you trade on the app of BITUNIX, make sure that you use on the amount, so the value. So when you put in your amount of your position, make sure that you click on USDT nominal value. So it's the third one on your trading app. It's the third one. Use USDT nominal value. That's the one you need to use. Stay away of that cost value. Cost value is very dangerous. Very dangerous. So I need to contact them about this, by the way. I didn't do it yet. So that's about that. So let me go. Someone wanted to talk. Eagled. You want me to talk about Eagled? Why Eagled? Answer me first. Why do you want me to do Eagled? What's the reason? Tell me why Eagled. Because you're Eagled. Oh, you've shared it like 10 times. I'm not going to do Eagled. I'm not going to do. Sorry, Silo. I'm not going to do. Because you've shared it like 10 times, and that's in my opinion, that's shilling. I don't do coins when I see them 10 times. Just one time is enough, bro. I'll read and I see Eagled. Okay. Eagled is a coin. I talked about it a lot of times. I don't even know where it's now. $35 is resistance. I know it out of my head. I don't even have to think about it. $35 is the resistance line of Eagled. I don't have to chart it. I'm holding too much gas after being shilled. Jules. Yeah, well. I've talked so much about CAS past weeks. CAS is a coin that I'm super bearish on the midterm, long term. So I really have no clue. What do I got? Okay, guys. You don't want me to do any. Okay, you guys don't want me to do any altcoins. Okay, so only got CAS and Myro. Myro is Sam. Myro. Please don't tell me it's a meme coin, because if it's a meme coin, we're probably gonna destroy it. Myro. Please don't tell me it's a meme coin. Please just don't tell me this is a meme coin. Don't tell me this is a meme coin. It's a meme coin. Probably a meme coin. What is Artificial Super Intelligence Alliance? Oh, wait a minute. What is this? Oh no, this is fat. What is this? Myro. What is Myro, bro? Myro. Is this a meme coin? It has to be meme coin. It has to be a meme coin. Myro. What is Myro? I know Myro, but I thought it was a meme coin. Myro. These meme coins are destroying the lives of a lot of retailers. They think that they're gonna get rich with meme coins. They think this. They hope this. But you're gonna you can only make money if you're gonna do it. Yeah. Myro is a meme coin on Solana. I thought so. Oh my god, you guys are really killing me. Why Myro? Okay, well, if you think that there are some whales that are trying to ramp up this Myro, well, first of all, be careful because we're heading into this resistance level. First of all, so this is resistance, a very strong resistance, by the way. If we can break up on the daily over here, let me put on the indicator. I was looking, well, especially over the 200 EMA also. So Myro, if this thing breaks up above the line, close above it, then if you're bullish on Myro, think that Myro will do great with the right people, then you see something like this. But just to be clear, I'm not interested in Myro. By the way, guys, I want to say this, and I'm going to say it. You guys know me. I never liked Solana. Everyone that knows I don't like Solana. But let me just tell you this. Be very careful with Solana the coming months. I think that the Solana hype is over. And I think that a lot of VCs and strong influencers are starting to see that also. And I think that Solana will make its way down. And just keep in mind, why am I saying this? Because a lot of Solana related altcoins, they are ready for a big short. I'm just saying. I also removed a lot of altcoins from my top 20 coins from Solana. Everything Solana related, I'm not interested. Solana related, I'm not interested. So I think Solana is, by the way, super overbought at these levels, and everything related to Solana is also super overbought. So be very careful. Be very careful. I think that another narrative is coming in because these smart money, they always flip from narrative to narrative. And I think that the narrative of Solana has been going on for a very long time now. I think it's time for something new. They're already starting to make SUI, because SUI, although SUI has got very bad tokenomics, but if the narrative SUI will flip and a lot of new meme coins will come on SUI and a lot of other projects, solid projects will come on SUI, those are the projects you need to buy, not SUI itself. Look for the, you know what, I'm going to make a vid about this. I'm going to give you guys all the SUI related altcoins, because if SUI really is the new Solana, don't focus on SUI. Focus on everything related, just like the render of Solana, just like the RV of Solana, just like a lot of coins that are related to Solana. Look for the altcoins that are related to SUI and that have solid tokenomics. Not like SUI have got very bad tokenomics. Say also has got very bad tokenomics. Look for the solid one, because I think that the money will flow over there. I think that's where we gotta make money. So please guys, I've said it now, and I know that a lot of my retail fan members also have a lot of Solana. I just know that you guys own a lot of Solana. Be very careful with Solana, because if the wind will blow through, and I'm seeing a lot of famous influencers, they're starting to well, this Solana hype that they have been doing for like the past 4 or 5 years, that wind is laying down. So be very careful about Solana, guys. Mudeng, not interested, bro. Jeff, this Mudeng or whatever is. What about Woo? Well, I'm bullish on Woo. Woo has got some scammy influences, some scammy influences shilling it like crazy. But you know, I'm bullish on Woo, and I've told you guys already on Woo. Where is my Woo chart? Where is my Woo chart? I think that Woo is one of those coins that you just buy some of it and just leave it. So this is Woo. Woo, yeah, I already shared this, I think. Woo, yeah, I already shared this. Let me just say, like, Woo. Listen, guys, look how strong this freaking indicator is, guys. Because I remember that this bounce, I'm done this, bam, 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 oh my god. But guys, just keep in mind, these were 2 shillers. They did this. 2 shillers, only 2 shillers. 2 shillers with a lot of followers. Bye, bye, Woo, is going to the moon. And then, boom, da. They paid the shiller, and the owner sold his bags. It's that simple. It's how it works in crypto. Shill, boom. Okay. Thank you very much. We sold our bags again. Thank you for the liquidity. So Woo is very simple, guys. It needs to come back, in my opinion, to these levels over here. But I already said this. So I'm not interested in buying Woo or whatever. So keep that in mind. Okay, guys, it's a meme coin. I know it's a meme coin. Guys, I love you all. I love you for joining in. Keep in mind, I'm going to say it now. I'm going to repeat myself also. It depends on what comes out, what they decided to do with the CPI. So while the CPI is running, there will be a lot of, you just don't know. But, you know, after CPI, we've got Powell again. So, you know, so we got CPI and then down, and then Powell comes in, and then they start ramping it up again. So keep in mind that on the short term, I'm bearish. And I'm more focused on shorts than longs. I'm sorry, guys. I'm sorry. Yes, but it's just what it is. I'm more focused on shorts than longs. So that's, I'm just saying. So we've got tomorrow, we've got the CPI drama going on, blah, 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 whatever. It depends on what the market does at what the number will be of the CPI, or what the market does at Friday. And then from Friday, we're going to take it over, and then we got to make a lot of money. So for now, for all traders, for all gain traders, it means that when you go into any trade, it doesn't matter if you guys are in the paid group of the team, or you're in my group, or you're following me on Twitter, watch these live streams. When you take a trade and you see green, secure it. Because why? Because when this CPI comes in, this will happen, guys. We'll get a lot of this. This is what happens on these events. So when this happens, it means when you see green, doesn't matter over here or over here, you take it. Green, take it, because you're going to get a lot of opportunities to buy back in again. Another. So keep taking profits over and over. Just market sell, profit, market sell, out. Go to the next one, and to the next one, and to the next one. Use the damn indie. So this is what we're going to do for today, tomorrow, and on Friday. And after Friday, I will tell you guys exactly what I will be expecting, because then I'll be charting the bigger picture, connecting the dots, and then we're gonna see what direction we're heading into. I really love you. If you want to join us, the free private group, links are below. BITUNIX is your best and easiest way into the MW indicator. For the ones who want to join the free private group, I don't care. Trade on Weex, trade on BITUNIX, trade on Blofin, or trade on all three of them. I just don't care. It's non-KYC, no VPN needed. By the way, guys, if you don't own or not using VPN, there's a link below. You get some, they've got some nice campaigns. Take a VPN. No matter where you are in the world, take a damn VPN. Those scammy hackers are all everywhere. Use that damn VPN. There's a link below, couple of bucks. I don't know what it is, 2, 3, because they have been telling me for like 2 months now, hey, MW, you are a partner of us. Why are you not telling people to use VPN? NordVPN is the best. Well, I'm always forgetting, bro. Yeah, but you're a partner. Why are you not talking about it? You didn't pay me. No, I know we didn't pay you, but you need... Okay, well, I remember today. VPN, NordVPN, a couple bucks a month. You can get yourself a VPN. The link is below. I love you guys. Well, follow me on Twitter. The updates will be all on Twitter. I love you. Have a nice one. Thank you, and bye-bye.